Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of yoga and its profound effects on the mind and body. In this video, we will delve into the science behind yoga and uncover how this ancient practice works to transform your well-being. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting your journey, understanding the mechanisms behind yoga will deepen your appreciation for its remarkable benefits. So, let's get started. 1. Mind-body connection. Yoga operates on the principle of the mind-body connection. It recognizes that our mental and physical states are deeply intertwined. Through a combination of asanas, postures, pranayama, breathing exercises, and meditation, yoga harmonizes the mind and body, promoting overall health and wellness. 2. Breath awareness. One of the fundamental aspects of yoga is breath awareness. By consciously controlling and deepening the breath, we tap into the body's relaxation response, activating the parasympathetic nervous system. This reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and promotes a sense of calmness and tranquility. 3. Physical benefits. Regular yoga practice enhances physical strength, flexibility, and balance. Asanas gently stretch and tone the muscles, improving joint mobility and posture. The various poses also stimulate internal organs, enhancing their functionality and promoting overall vitality. 4. Mental and emotional well-being. Yoga has a profound impact on mental and emotional well-being. The focused attention required during practice cultivates mindfulness and helps quiet the mind, reducing anxiety and stress. By releasing tension and fostering self-awareness, yoga promotes emotional balance, resilience, and a positive outlook on life. 5. Neurological effects. Research has shown that yoga positively influences brain function. Regular practice can increase the production of endorphins, dopamine, and serotonin, which are neurotransmitters associated with feelings of happiness and well-being. Moreover, yoga has been found to improve cognitive function, memory, and concentration. 6. Energy flow. According to yogic philosophy, the body contains energy centers called chakras, and yoga aims to balance the flow of energy through these channels. By practicing specific asanas and breathwork, we can activate and harmonize the chakras, promoting physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. So yoga is a comprehensive system that goes beyond physical exercise. Its transformative power lies in its ability to integrate the mind, body, and spirit. By incorporating yoga into our lives, we can experience improved physical health, enhanced mental clarity, and a greater sense of inner peace. So, roll out your mat and embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery and holistic well-being. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and share your thoughts and experiences with yoga in the comments section below. Until next time, namaste.